We're screwing a bathroom vanity mirror. Oh, oh, shh. Why is it when I did this, it was fine and now it's all fucked up? Let's try it again. Okay, it's not
There you
working.
go. So we're gonna look at the head of your screw. Get it in, turn it up just a little.
Turn the screw.
Squeeze the head. Just, we're gonna squeeze a little. There you go. All right, now it's in, all right? Push on the back of the drill with your hand.
Push this back.
Yeah, and then keep this straight here. All right, and you can edit this, right? Okay, ready? And we're back on.
Try it. Was it was recording the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
No, you're not fucking it up.
Why?
Just keep that in there and squeeze gently.
Yeah, I was.
Keep pressure.
I was pushing.
There you go.
Oh, this is actually harder than it was. Because I'm drilling through wall.
Here, put your hand on the back of my hand. All right, and push. Now we broke the screw.
Oh, broke it?
Yeah, it's okay
Oh
though.
no, how do I break it?
You didn't break it. The screw was weak.
Shit, so now we gotta take it out. Can we do it in reverse?
No, actually, it's in. It'll be okay.
Oh my god. I'm sweating so much. That was actually harder than it looked. That was the first screw I ever put into like the actual wall. That's actually really hard because you have to put so much pressure. Wow. I'm sweating. That was stressful. That was really stressful, but I did it. Home improvement is tough.